Hi guys, into showing this video how to do foundation work. Here you can see returning wall. You can see the overlap for the rebar. We have one mat in both direction, two mats in both direction. You can see the overlap like around 5 foot, and you can see the rebar at the top like L rebar or Z rebar. Okay, and you can see the ledge for the concrete for bricks. Okay, so here you can see the metal forms. Okay, and you can see here the foundation, the great work for foundation. Here they put the plastic sheet, the vapor barrier, you know, before they pour the concrete. Here you can see the diamond, the anchor bolts, and you can see everything is plastic sheet under the concrete, so there is no moisture come up. Okay, here you can see the elevator shaft. Okay, it is concrete walls with rebars. You can see that rebar. So that rebar will turn and run through the slab. Okay, and here you can see the great work. There's a rebar mat with the great chairs, and that rebar like 1 inch diameter, and you can see that everything is ready to build. Here you can see the plate for the anchor bolts. They put it on side, and you can see all this work is a great work. They put wire mesh, they put plastic sheet. You can see plastic sheet. Okay guys, plastic sheet. Here you can see the surveying work. Okay, here you can see the surveying work, and here you can see the columns for the rebar for the columns. Okay, and here you can see 2x4. Okay guys, everything here plastic sheet before they pour concrete. Sometimes the drawing didn't call for that, but that's the great work to do to stop the moisture. And also you can see the tape over there, red tape. Here also you can see the red tape. So everything is doing a great job. So no need to pour on top of dirt. You need to pour on top of plastic sheet to stop the moisture came up, and to stop the ready concrete mix to mix with the dirt, and keep the water cement ratio for ready concrete mix without affect the concrete mix design. That's the best way to do it. Okay, that's the best way to do it. Okay, here you can see also that is the concrete structure. Okay, concrete structure. And here again the foundation. Here that's for elevator, 2x4, and the metal forms and rebar over there. So you can see the rebars mat is ready, everything on site. They put over there rebar mat. You can see it is ready to put it, so they put it there. Okay, you can see plastic sheet, that is a 20 mil. Okay, high quality work. That's a great work, everything. So here in this project they will not pour concrete above dirt. You cannot see this kind of a great work everywhere, but that is a great work. Okay, and that's the best way to keep the water cement ratio for the concrete mix design without any effect. Because if you pour above dirt, you know, some water will go, especially on summer, the dirt will be hot, so will suck some water from the concrete, and that will affect the water cement ratio. That will affect the concrete mix design. And also when you pour above the plastic sheet, we will make sure the concrete will not mix with the dirt. Okay, and we will keep everything like separate, nothing mixed with dirt, especially at the edge. You can see edge and the bottom. Okay guys, this video about the concrete returning wall here with the grate. So they use vibrator all the way down. You can see there is no segregation. And here you can see the 20 mil vapor barrier. They put it on hold, put like wood stake at the top, and then they put rebar with chairs. Okay, they put like piece of concrete bricks. Okay, raise it up. So that's what they use to raise up the mat, because that is heavy. If you put the plastic chairs, will not carry the weight, especially, you know, that's a huge size, a huge dimensions. Over there, the pit for the elevator. You can see concrete walls, and with rebars you can see the foam, and then also they hit it with the dam proofing, that the water waterproofing, and you can see the waterproofing system. You can see at the corner, that's the membrane waterproofing, and then they will backfill with the stone and compact well. So if you like this video from this great project, please like, subscribe. We'll upload more videos about construction work. Okay guys, thank you.